Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kachava taste better. First, consider your liquid base. It's crucial for flavor. Next, we'll explore natural additions that can transform your shake. Finally, I'll share blending tips to achieve the perfect consistency. These easy methods will help you enjoy your Kachava even more, making it a delicious part of your routine. The liquid you choose is key. Unsweetened almond milk is a popular choice, providing a smooth, creamy texture without added sugars. For a lighter, naturally sweet option, try coconut water, which also adds electrolytes. If you prefer a richer shake, dairy milk can offer a more substantial feel. Experiment to find your favorite base. To truly elevate the taste, incorporate natural boosters. Half a frozen banana adds sweetness and a wonderful creamy thickness. A tablespoon of your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut, introduces richness and healthy fats. For a burst of fruity flavor, a handful of mixed berries works wonders. These additions make a big difference. Achieving the perfect texture is vital. Blend your Kachava for at least 30 seconds to ensure everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. For a colder, thicker shake, add 3 to 4 ice cubes before blending. A small dash of vanilla extract can also subtly enhance the overall flavor profile. These simple steps create a truly enjoyable drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.